Not bad train there, my first one since Christmas. Speaking of Christmas, I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and just in case, if this was the last train for the New Year, I wish everybody a Happy New Year, but I will try to get a train on New Year's Eve. So, if I get one, look for that, and then just a reminder, I will post, my favorite train video of the year on New Year's Eve too, so as well. So, just quick reminder on that one. So, I hope you have a good day and be safe out there. And when the next train comes by, I'll get back on record again and put the train to you. Have a good day then.